My name is Kevin Hall. I'm from Arizona. I live in Queen Creek, and I've been trading options for about 4 months, but I've been managing my own portfolio for about 20 years. So mainly I was a buy and hold trader of stock, and I would just listen to people that I looked up to on which stocks were probably going to be doing good, and just bought and held. So now it's opened up a whole new world of different types of trades and strategies. There are stocks that I never thought that I would be able to do business with. Now trading options, it allows you to trade and sell and buy stocks that are, $600,000 a share. So at the beginning, I went through some bumps and bruises and lost a little bit of my principal, but that brought me back. I was able to pull in the reins, and it humbled me a bit to my aggressiveness. So recently, even though the market's been down, I've really been able to gain back and then some of my principal, and I'm really happy with the support that we're getting here. Everybody is just so willing and happy to help with anything. I know that they're rolling out new things all the time. Kyle's rolling out a new tools section in the website, and I've really gone from the manual journals to exclusively using the trade tracker tool that he has, and it's really helped out. It started by just wanting to know more about options. Like I said, I was just a buy and hold trader, and I always thought that options were out of my range, and so I just wanted to find out more about it. I've heard Preston talk before, and I thought I'd give it a chance, and I couldn't be happier. I would say the support is one of the biggest things about being a WOW member. With the forum, I'm constantly in there asking questions, and just the ability to open up more of the training that you can get through being a member, watching the videos, and there's certain things that are locked out at certain levels. So being a WOW member allows you to open up more training. Definitely more confidence, because like Stella teaches, you know what your risk is before you get into it. As before, when I was a buy and hold, you just hoped that the stock went up. Now, with the money press, you have that protection that in case the stock doesn't go up, you can still make money if it goes down. I would tell somebody that was considering joining that it's well worth the time, effort, and money if you're serious about trading options and learning more about the world of stock and options. I thought that I knew a lot, and I only knew the tip of the iceberg. So this has opened up a whole new world for me, and it's very exciting.